Marami na akong naka-collab na local or even international brands and matagal na akong nag-o-open ng mga PR package. But this is actually the first time I'm opening a PR package from a local business here in Rinconada. First guys, can we all appreciate the packaging kasi super personalized niya, and what I like about it is kulay pink siya. Pati yung ribbon niya guys, color pink. Meron pang pa-letter si owner. Meron tayong dalawang box, isang mas maliit, and this one guys, yung may ribbon and yung may letter. Hi Sheila May, thank you so much for reaching out and for your interest in collaborating with us. It honestly means a lot to me that you wanted to feature my handmade creations. Inside this package are some of my handmade creations from my small business, JV Handmades. Your kindness and support means so much to me, and I hope this is just the beginning of more collaborations in the future. Sweet naman ng owner guys. So first guys, open muna natin to. Ano kaya to? Wow! It's personalized. Nakalagay, Shem. Paano nyo nalaman yung nickname? Sa IG siguro. So guys, unbox na natin to. Kahapon pa to dumating. First time ko rin siyang makikita. Color pink siya lahat. Oh my gosh! Ito yung unang nakita ko. Ribbon. OMG guys, this is very Shem. Very coquette. Kilala nyo naman ako guys, mahilig talaga ako sa ribbon. Like, tingnan nyo yan. Oh my gosh! Ang cute naman nito! Louis Vuitton! Pati yung sticker handmade. Oh my gosh, ang galing. Pati to color pink. Ang cute. Oh, meron tayong bracelet. Si Taylor Swift. Guys, meron din tayong ganto. Like, lanyard siya sa phone. Hala, may ribbon din dito. Ang cute. Meron din tayong inhaler charm. Guys, anik-anik ng mga talentahin. Iba pa rin talaga yung kilig kapag nakakatanggap ka ng something handmade. Hindi lang siya about sa kung gaano kaganda yung product. It's about the thought, the effort, and the process kung paano siya ginawa. So sa mga hindi nakakaalam guys, this is from GV Handmades, and they have an event right now sa Iriga City Grandstand, which is yung community flea market hosted by Rotaract Iriga and Santo Kita. Andun sila guys, July 23 to 25 from 5 p.m. to 11 p.m. Sa mga gustong pumunta guys, please make sure to support our local businesses, especially yung mga ganitong handmade products. Take note guys, hindi lang yung products yung maganda kasi super pretty and accommodating din ng owner. Kaya thank you so much GV Handmades. Make sure to follow them for updates or if gusto nyong mag-order. So yun lang guys!